In 2 weeks I'm heading to Italy to ride the country from top to toe. I'll be turning 60 this year, and I'll admit, on a ride like this, fatigue can creep in. If my cameras aren't easy to reach, I'll probably not bother to use them. This overnight trip was to test Terry's kit on his first real bikepacking experience. It went well, but it also highlighted some issues with my own setup. I was guilty of overpacking, and it made accessing my camera equipment less straightforward than it should be. So now I'm out on my own to test my setup again. I've dumped some kit, but more importantly, my cameras are back to being readily available again. None of my camera equipment lives in the saddlebag, although the GoPro is sometimes rear mounted off it. Otherwise, it might be on my helmet, chest, or even in my mouth for immersive POV shots. Having multiple mounts and locations for the GoPro helps it get used and not require bag space where it could be forgotten. Another item not in the saddlebag is my new carbon tripod, which straps to the top. I mainly use it with the Canon to capture stable wide shots of the scenery or other interesting places. The frame bag carries the heavier tools at the bottom, with the drone and controller in the top pocket. Even though the drone is currently in the UK being repaired, storing it here makes it easy to grab when it's back, and the case keeps it protected. Other than the drone, other camera equipment I keep in here includes a selfie stick and stand, plus a spare battery and charger for the Insta360 camera. My Insta camera sits on the handlebars and is always ready. The real beauty of it is how it helps ensure I miss far fewer opportunities. I can just be riding and press record and worry about the perfect shot later. When it comes to editing footage, there is something different to learn, but the results make it worth it. You simply select the angle you require and export it as a normal flat video. The Canon lives in the handlebar bag, ready for when I stop and want a more deliberate shot, coupled with my tripod. It's normally connected to a wide-angle lens, but I also carry a longer zoom lens for when I want to isolate something or change the feel of the background. I'm still fairly new to making videos, but I'm slowly figuring out what each camera is good at. The GoPro is perfect for capturing the ride itself. Simple, reliable and easy to mount almost anywhere. The Insta360 gives me angles I'd never normally be able to film, especially on group rides or when I want something more dynamic. Then there's the drone, which helps show the landscape and gives a bit of scale to the places I ride through. And the Canon is probably the opposite of all of them. It's slower and more deliberate, but it makes me think more about the shot and how I want a place to feel. Having all of them easy to reach should hopefully mean I miss fewer opportunities while I'm out riding. And with the Italy ride coming up, I'm looking forward to putting them all to good use.